Good morning and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing something very exciting with you, which is money saving tips. And I've actually had a lot of requests on this because I did make a video a while back sharing some money saving tips and how I was able to save $50,000 in 1 year. And since making that video, I've had so many questions, and I actually jumped onto Instagram yesterday and asked you guys if you had any questions, and a lot of them were about saving money. So let's jump straight into it. The first one is budgeting, which is really important because let's say, for example, you earn $1,000 a week, and within that $1,000 you need to set aside money for your rent or your car or your gym membership or any sort of expenses that you have, which also includes your spending money and your savings. So instead of thinking, oh yes, like I just got paid $1,000, let's go shopping, let's go to coffee, let's do this, let's do that, and thinking like that, you need to think, for example, if you want $200 a week to be spending on your own expenses, your personal things that you like, then you need to think, I've only got $200 or I've got $200 to spend, and then that's the amount of money that you're going to spend. And I think that mindset as well helps you to save more money. And also if you're putting away, again, for example, $200 into your savings account every week, then you have a plan for it and you know that you're going to be putting that money aside every week. Whereas if you're just going day by day, week by week, month by month, not really having a plan, then you might say, oh, I'll put next week's aside into my savings, or I'll do it next time. And you'll just keep spending this money that you don't really need to be spending, and then not saving as much as what you could. So I think by writing everything down and making a plan, this will help you. Part of the budgeting as well is having a goal. So how much money do you want to save in a year or by the end of the year? Or if you have like a house that you're saving for, whatever that amount is, divide it back by the amount of weeks. So if you want to save, because we're already in December, let's say next year. So next December, how much money do you want to save by the end of next year? And then divide it back to the amount of paychecks. So then every single paycheck, how much money do you need to put aside in order to save that amount of money? And that way you already know if it's $300 or it's $200 or however much you need to put away, then you have a goal, and that can be your set amount ready so that you know if you do this, you are going to reach that goal. Then this brings me on to my next tip, which is finding cheaper alternatives. So say you've got, we'll stick with $200 a week to spend on your own expenses. Maybe this week you needed to buy an outfit for something, so you don't have any money left to go out for drinks or coffee or something with your friends, but you still wanted to catch up with them. Find cheaper alternatives. So go for a walk together. So the other day I caught up with a friend and we went for a walk around Albert Park, and it was really nice. We caught up, but we didn't spend any money. Or invite them over to your place or you go to theirs. There are so many things that you can do that are still fun and you're still seeing your friends but without having to spend money. And my third tip is to find a side hustle. So my whole working life, I think I have always had a side hustle, and even now I am starting a new side hustle with my business, which started off as a side hustle. So I'm always doing more than one thing or having more than one source of income as well. So find something that you like, that is in your niche, or something that you enjoy doing. Don't do things just to make money, because I think if you start doing things like that and you don't enjoy it, I don't think you're ever really going to succeed with it. So find something that you like and have that as a second income, and that could be your extra cash. So like I have mentioned in a previous video, I got to the point with my side hustle that I was putting all of my money that I was earning from my full-time job straight into my savings, and then I was only spending the money from my side hustle to pay off all of my expenses, which is why I was able to save a lot more money this way as well. So if you can find a successful side hustle, this will help you a lot with your savings and with paying other things as well. So these are just 3 simple tips that have helped me save money, and I hope you found them helpful too. If you think I've left anything out, or if you're still uncertain about anything, let me know, as I'd be more than happy to make another video to help answer them, or even jump on Instagram stories and answer them there as well. And before I go, I just wanted to mention, I did mention it in my previous video, that I am hosting a weekly giveaway. So all you have to do is hit subscribe, like this video, and comment down below with a love heart emoji, and you will be automatically put into the draw to win a free gift that I will send out to you as well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!